Hi, my old friend. This is the on request video. One of my friend asking how these two stocks perform in near future. Yes Bank and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. These two stocks. That is why I am making this video. Both stocks looking bearish mood. Still now not showing any bullishness. Required to hold their support zone. They are trading at support zone at this moment. Yes Bank required above closing 15.5 to 16.5 levels for the any upside. How is perform at above 15.5 to 16.5, that is very decisive for the any up move. Ujjwal Small Finance Banks also required above 30 closing to show its strongness. Let's start with chart. This is the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank chart. This is the daily chart of this Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. After the fall, they try to hold the 50, 25, 20 levels and is hold this 25 levels and then is gone is achieve the 40 levels. After then for the February, January 2021, from January 21 it's another time start falling and lot of lower formation, a lot of lower bottom formation creating and is trading in a bearish trade channel or falling trade channel you all see. And after that is try to now hold this 25 level 26 50 levels at the support zone area. Try to hold this support zone area. This is a very good sign. If holds, then it could be good, but it would hold or not. This technically not giving any signal at this moment. It should be close above. It should be close above 30 or trade above this falling trend lines, and it should be close above this falling trend lines. And if it's hold the above this trend line, then it try to again give some bullishness. But at this moment, above that, not if not above 30 levels cross and sustain, then I will not bullish at this moment. So close look on this chart or stock, but not showing any bullishness. This is the last week bar. It's showing bullishness weekly, but it's which I told previously that above 30 is looking above 30 closing is required and sustain above 30 levels, then we should go for that any buy bullish buy signal may come. So at this moment we should watch this stock on watch list at because of this support zone. If this support zone hold and if this support zone hold, then it may be and if support zone hold and above closing 30 levels from that level these levels, then maybe it gives the bullishness, but the other indicator also not showing the showing any bullishness may come in this stock. So how to price behave? First we have to look forward that this is the Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, and then Yes Bank. This is the Yes Bank's chart. You all see from the 400 levels is fall, and it's never break this trend line, and when it's break, it's a trade in a sideways zone. You will see only 19 levels one times achieved, and then again falling from the 19 levels, and is now in a falling mood. If not cross above 1550 to 16 levels, and close above this trend line, below falling trend line, then the stock may not give any bullishness from here. So we have to close look at on that. This is a falling wedge is a sign of the bullishness if it's close above this 1550 to 1650 levels and hold that levels, then it should give the bullishness. But at this moment, there is no sign of giving the bullishness. So we have to concentrate to or take this stock for watch list. If it close above 1550 or is it's break or it if it break that levels of 1550 levels, and if it or another thing is trend line breaking is coming or not, is we have to look forward in coming weeks and coming days. Then when it cross this or breaks this price break this below trend falling trend line, then we can go for any and another thing then if in other indicator also showing this bullishness, then we have to go for a bullishness, but we don't get any bullishness from here, so we don't go to buy here at this moment of time. If not cross this trend line and sustain above this trend line, and 1550 and 1550 levels to 1650 levels above is not closing, so this is not looking any, this stock is not looking good at this moment of time, so we have to not go for any buy for that reason. This is the another good this is some good sign at this moment. This 14 levels is 2 times hold. If it's hold, then it's a good sign, but any bullishness may come above this breaking of this trend below trend line or falling trend line. Then it may come the bullishness. We have to look forward that the bullishness, if it close above that and break that trend line and close above that and sustain above that level 1550 to 16 levels, then we go for, then we watch for the price any indicator through indicator that it's giving the bullishness or not, or any formation is coming from this Yes Bank, then we go for buy. At this moment, not I'm not bullish, just in my watch list, or you can hold for your watch list for this stock. Thanking you. Hope you all understand my analysis. Thank you to all of you again.